So got everything installed, memory's in, all the fans and everything are hooked up, graphics cards, etc. Power is on, as you can see by the fan spinning, and right now I am installing Windows 7, and that's about it. Waiting for that to get done before I keep going. But one interesting thing is that the Blu-ray drive that I got did not come with a front plate. Straight out of the retail box, no front plate. So called Plex Store and they're shipping me one out for free, which was very nice of them. But yeah, quite happy. Got some more cable management to do, but right now it's manageable, and I just want to get everything installed.